Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open SnapGen AI. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on sign up button in the top right corner. You can only register on SnapGen AI with your Google account, so make sure you have a Google account signed in. Let's continue with the Google account and complete the sign up process. After sign up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now scroll down a bit. Here you can create a new video, a 30-second video with Grok or extend a video. Underneath, you can select video models like VEO, Grok, ByteDance, and Kling. But for this video, I'll go with VEO. You can choose between VEO 3.1 Fast, VEO 3.1 Lite, VEO 3.1, VEO 2, Omni. But for this video, I'll go with VEO 3.1 Fast. You can also add reference images, but it's optional. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into SnapGen AI. Underneath, select the aspect ratio, video resolution, and video duration as well. Then finally hit the generate button. As you can see, it's asking for the human verification. So let the human verification to be completed. And our video has been successfully submitted and now in the queue. Let's check the status from history. Click on the history from the top menu bar and open the video. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can log into SnapGen AI only with your Google account. Also, one very important thing. Sometimes this tool automatically fails your generation request. So instead of panicking, simply submit the generation request again. This free tool, SnapGen AI, gives you 10 credits as a sign-up bonus. If you generate a video using the VEO 3.1 fast model, which I used in this video, it will cost you 0 credits because it's completely free. Other models consume credits and some of them are not available yet. So try to use this tool as early as possible until this tool becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video with SnapGen AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if these free tools helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.